Hi and welcome to another edition of Morgoth Media, where today I'm going to be reviewing the Big Tasty with Bacon with McDonald's. Now the other day I had the, the Grand Big Mac. It was dry and nasty. Let's hope we do better with this one, shall we? So here we go, this is a big old box, the Big Tasty with Bacon. Let's see what it's about, shall we? So we open this box up. So we've got the seeded classic bun there, a bit like the one we had the other day. That's a lot better though, it's got loads of sauce in there, so I can't see this one being dry. You've got two large beef tomatoes in there, you've got your patty in there as well, and you've got this lovely cheese as well. That looks pretty good, that lovely creamy cheese they do. I'm not quite sure what cheese it's called, but I know it's nice. It's got bacon in there as well, obviously, and that burger sauce, which is, I believe, is like the stuff they put on the Big Mac. I don't think this one's going to be dry. You've got the tomatoes, you've got lettuce, got plenty of sauce in this. Burger looks pretty good. Yeah, let's give this one a go, shall we? So we'll put the lid back on. I think this might be a two-hander, this one. I think I'm going to get messy with this one. Right, so let's get in there. So I've got it here. That's that cheese I was talking about. Look at that, lovely. Right, all the seeds and all that are all popping off all over the place. Right, let's get in there, shall we? I think there's no fear this one being dry. Let's have a go. Yeah, that's so much better. There we go. Yeah, the meat's lovely, beefy, nice. Got them nice thick tomatoes on there. The grind of the patty as well is really nice. Well, good quality patty in there as well. The bun's nice and soft. It's not dry. It's not crumbly. It's nice. One more bite before I give it a verdict. Yeah. This I would order again. Would I order it over a quarter pounder with cheese? No, I wouldn't. But I'd say this comes a second to a quarter pounder and cheese. Very messy though, look, all over the gaff. But so much better than that Grand Big Mac the other day. That was terrible. Nice one, Big Mac, McDonald's. I reckon this one I'll give it 8 out of 10 for this one. There you go. So that is the Big Tasty with bacon. 8 out of 10. Yes, I would have it again. Yeah, nice one. Thanks for watching, people.